milk in the water. What chocolate milk?
Let's go.
These chips are bad, aren't they? Dry as fuck. Why is it burn already?
Oh, mother of God. Oh, that's fucking hot. No, fuck. Oh, dude, I can already feel like starting to sweat. Give me that fucking milk.
Fuck me. It's getting worse.
Oh. Fuck. You're a dick. My eyes are starting to water.
Ah. Please.
Oh, God.
On purpose?
My eyes are watering like a motherfucker. I don't know if you guys can tell. Oh, shit.
Standing in the cold.
Yeah. Ah. Nick went out to the garage. Is that helping? Oh my God. Oh God.
I fucking hate you.
Oh my God, I regret this. Oh God. Like, this fucking sucks. Is that gonna help? Oh my God. It's like as soon as the milk is gone, it comes back.
I need bread. I blow my nose.
Yeah, I expect Nick to be like dead. I think we're reacting worse than he is.
I'm drinking in a godly amount of milk.
Fuck you guys for not being lactose intolerant.
It runs like, yeah.
Fucking asshole burns.
Ah. Oh my God, give me that. That was a lot worse than I thought. And that's a fucking habanero. And we were sitting there talking about doing the jolokia? No way.
Don't forget that jolokia.
No way. We got him out.
The fucking throat burn.
That's what peppers do. The burn is taking longer to come back, so I think it's starting to go away. But
Mine is it.
when it comes back, it's like it's going back full force. You're just moving it back and forth. Whoa! What are you eating?
Something. I don't know.
Coke, no, wait, hold on. Coke, I don't think Coke is going to help.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Coke helps?
Yeah. It works, trust me.
I don't like the flavor of Coke, really. Unless Jack is mixed with it, then everything is fine.
You won't drink it now that your throat is on fire?
All the time.
Or then you want swallowing an ice cube.
But look, my eyes stopped watering. That's a good sign. Trying I'm going to go with that milk now. Give me that Coke. Let's give it a shot. Coke works surprisingly well. I feel like every time you swallow, it's like getting worse.
That's why I keep spitting it out.
Oh, fuck.
At least you're not gonna eat anymore.
Are you vomiting? Are you vomiting? Oh my god, I was like, don't do that in the sink. Faro, you're taking us by far like the worst of everyone here. It's starting to, it's not raging anymore. It's not like I drink milk and as soon as I swallow it's like, just slowly building back up. My tongue feels like fucking sandpaper.
That's what fucking lava tastes like.
How much worse is a Jalokia than this? Like fucking 100 times? 2 times? Oh, 200. 20. 200?
200 times.
No fucking way. Yeah, we completely destroyed this milk carton. I don't know
Like
if there's
2 glasses of milk. That was my fucking breakfast. It's huge now.
Did the cold garage make anything better?
Yeah, I went outside and I kept doing this and like itching, kind of like that.
That's what you're doing off camera, scratching yourself repeatedly. The noodle incident. Yeah, that was painful.
As long as I keep my tongue active, it doesn't burn excruciatingly bad.
What are you eating?
Like ice.
Oh.
Like you bite it, and you're like, oh, this is it. I don't feel anything. Oh, it's a little hot.
Oh, it's a little hot. Oh God, give me that milk.
Oh God, and then
Oh God, eat everything. Everything we can find.
it feels like a phoenix has been born in the fucking bowels of your stomach.
I'm gonna stop it here. because we're coming on 10 minutes.
It's been 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Wow.
Right.